like,
No, I got it, Jess.
Ash won't let anybody feed him, so we're letting him feed himself.
He is, what, 7 months old?
Yeah, 7 months old.
Ash. Hey.
Ash, come here.
Eat your Spag Bol.
Don't trip it on my leg.
He's like, ooh,
Oh, don't knock it off.
That looks so gross.
Get it in that mouth.
Can I see the other spoon?
Choked. I'm gonna have a bite. Jazzy.
Jess, don't.
He's like, ooh, I'm
Yeah,
too
he's
busy
gonna
playing
eat
with it.
I don't think he is either.
Why don't you push that button?
Because it's recording. If I push that button, it'll stop. Yummy Spag Bol.
Ooh,
Dad, you
likes
can't see the front of his
Yummy
face.
Spag Bol.
Mummy, will I let it drink?
Hi.
Or is it-
Oh, jeez.
No, let it go then. If it's before 6:30.
It's...
Oh, what'd you do that for?
Oh, I'm
Yay.
sorry.
Mommy's magic.
No.
2, 8.
Oh, he wants his spoon. Okay.
2-2.
No, it's not, Sam.
It's not
He's
2,
like,
2.
That
Oh,
might be
what?
what's left in the microwave.
That's what it says.
Okay, do it so.
Uh-oh.
Ash, eat your food. You're gonna get some in your armpit.
It's 6 o'clock, Jasmine said.
I just caught Gage trying to put his hand in the like bolognese.
Oh, I hope he burns himself then.
Yeah.
It's still very hot.
Give me the flash.
Mummy, am I allowed to drink because Jasmine said it's 6 o'clock?
Sam,
Yeah.
you know the rules. If it's before 6:30, you can have a drink.
I don't know if it's past 6:30.
Oh my gosh. Ridiculous.
That's not very nice.
You didn't know
He's
those
like,
things when you were younger either.
Look.
Eat your food, dude.
No, I'm too busy.
Aw.
Yummy.
Spill it all over mommy.
I need a
Okay.
bath too with the kids.
Yeah.
Eat your food.
It's like, I'm too busy playing with it.
Okay, in the mouth.
Wait.
Nom, 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 nom. I think he's had enough of it.
I guess so. He probably had his teaspoon worth. Oh, it's gone now.
All gone. All gone. Ash.
He's like, oh god. It's not finished yet.
Ash.
Oh.
Give it back to him.
Ooh, what's that? Oh,
Yep, I'm done.
Oh,
Get that muck out of here.
bye, Ash. See ya, buddy.
Say bye.
Later, dude.
Bye, wave.
Bye-bye.
Waving. Good boy.
Oh, that's a good boy.